jump back live with the lead investigator who was talking about the crime scene. And one of the most, I guess, surprising things I've ever heard on Law and Crime, I guess ever, is you have a lead investigator, detective in law enforcement, in the criminal justice system, who didn't know the verdict of the O.J. Simpson case. Joseph, what was your reaction to that moment? Because there were chuckles in the courtroom. We were all shocked by it.
My reaction was the same as the juror's reaction must have been, which is, that's just not true. That man's not telling the truth. And if I were the defense, I'd have about a 3-question cross-examination of that detective, and it shortly would sound just like this. Detective, is it important to you to tell the truth today? Of course, he has to say yes. Then I'd say, please look at the jury and tell them why that's important to you. Whatever he says, it doesn't matter, it won't be any good. My last question would be, no, what I want you to do is look at each one of those jurors, take your time, and I want you to tell them that you really didn't know that OJ had been found innocent. Go ahead, we're going to listen. And in there, you're going to have that cop lie to the jury just like he already has. And when he does it again, I'm going to just simply, in closing argument, remind this jury that this is exactly what's going on here, is that you have that prosecutor putting that cop on the stand, and they are willing to lie in order to get a conviction because this is a government scam.
Well, I got to tell you, it was interesting that he didn't know that or perceived to know that, or maybe he wasn't telling. I mean, it's hard to know why he even said that. The point, of course, is they were bringing it forward that Erica Stefanko had posted this shortly after the killing of Biggs, maybe to show, hey, look, we got away with it. Let's go more to the medical examiner, though, because those are facts that you cannot deny. Take a look.